AC Troubleshooting. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, click on Windows R on your keyboard and open Run. And here type in msinfo32 and then press on Enter. After you do that, in here, simply check your motherboard. After you checked your motherboard in here, simply open a new Chrome page, any website, and type in your PC's name and latest BIOS update. And according to your PC, you'll find different options. So in my case, I've typed in ASUS. It will give me official ASUS website. You can simply click through it and go through the website as listed. After you do that, you can also reboot and go into BIOS and turn on PPT. After you do that, you can come back into Windows and then again click on Windows R and type in tpm.msc and press on Enter. After you've done that, it will open this page. And here, make sure status is the TPM is ready for use and also the version is 2.0. After you do that, you're good to go. Once TPM is up and running, test launching the FACEIT AC client, confirm the error is resolved. And this is what to do when your motherboard does not show TPM options. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.